everyone, I'm Dung. I'm from group 1. This is my homework. Lesson 2. The vowel sounds U and U. 1. Short vowel sound U. Good, good. Could, could. Book, book. Fur, fur. Push, push. Look, look. Sentence by sentence. You are good. You are good. 2. How are you doing? I couldn't be better. How are you doing? I couldn't be better. 3. I like reading books. I like reading books. 4. I'm full. I couldn't eat another bite. I'm full. I couldn't eat another bite. If you want to improve yourself, you've got to push yourself through science. If you want to improve your life, you've got to push yourself through science. 6. I'm looking at the moon. I'm looking at the moon. 2. Long vowel sound U. Blue, blue. Food, food. Shoot, shoot. Zoo, zoo. Nu, nu. Room, room. Sentence by sentence. Don't be blue. I'll always stand by you. Don't be blue. I'll always stand by you. What kind of food do you like? What kind of food do you like? Don't shoot me, I'm scared. Don't shoot me, I'm scared. I heard you got a good job. What wonderful news. I heard you've got a good job. What wonderful news. 6. This room is very small, but it has a nice view. This room is very small, but it has a nice view. Paragraph. My plans. Tomorrow is the weekend. I have many plans. On Saturday afternoon, I am going to relax and play basketball with my classmates. At night, I am going to meet my friends for a party. On Sunday, I am going to stay with my family and do my lessons at home. What are you going to do? Tomorrow is the weekend. I have many plans. On Saturday afternoon, I am going to relax and play basketball with my classmates. At night, I am going to meet my friends for a party. On Sunday, I am staying at home with my family and do my lesson at home. What are you going to do? Thanks for watching.